Hey, lovely vlog gang. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? How are you? I just got home. I went to Walmart. Did you guys like that little video that I posted? I was going to vlog more. I want to start getting to the point where I vlog in the store because it's so much fun. And I want to take you guys to the store with me and everything. And yeah. Look, yo. You can't see it, but I dropped freaking hot sauce all over my fucking pants. All over. Not back there, though. Anyways, I've been so busy today. I've been doing a whole bunch of stuff, you know, and I've just been trying to get some last minute things done. So yeah, it's kind of bright. Show you guys a couple things. Maybe I need to turn. Hold on. I don't know if it's too bright. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. That was so amazing. That was so cool. Ha ha ha. Oh. As if that fucking helped any, right? Me and my stinky old butthole. Excuse me. You guys like my hair? I have nothing in my hair. I just washed it. And that's it. No heat on it today. So really quick, I know it's kind of dark. I got some necessities during this time of need. I got some Vicks Vapor Rub. Vapo Rub. Is it Vapor Rub or Vapo? I don't know. I got me some wash from my vag. Some vag wash. You know? Use. Never tried this flavor. This scent flavor. It doesn't smell like anything. Sheer Floral Cleansing Wash. It's for sensitive skin. So guys, go to Walmart, go to CVS, go to Walgreens, go wherever. Pick your girl. Oh, I got something in my bra. Oh my gosh. Go get your girlfriend, go get your wife, go tell your girlfriend to get this stuff. Make sure your girl has this in her bathroom so her vagina can smell good. Probiotics too. That'll make it smell good. Yogurt, probiotics, pill. They even have some stuff you can take. Now I was looking at it, but I don't take it. I got some of this. Soft soap lustrous glow, rose and vanilla. It's like I like this packaging thing. See, the container has like little shiny little flowers. Oh my god! It's got like a little beads, little micro beads. It smells so good. So if you guys want to know what I smell like, go to Walmart or somewhere, buy some soft soap, some lustrous glow soap, and rose and vanilla, and you'll be smelling me all day and all night. Just saying. I mainly got it because it's exfoliating. It's not for me to use every day. It's to use to exfoliate. Because I do go outside and I do get tan. And because I'm so freaking white, which it doesn't really show up, but compared to everybody else, I am white. This, I just found it on the shelf. It's the Equate brand for Walmart, and it's Sunburn Relief. Because, you know my white ass is going to be getting fucking burned as fuck when it gets fucking sunny outside. And I hate that burn. You know when we turn like lobster red and that fucking shit hurts? Then we have to heal for like a week and then we turn tan. So yeah. And I also got some of this. It's like a hemp body scrub. It's just a brand I don't fucking smoke or do any of that fucking crazy shit. But I got it because it was cheap. It doesn't even smell bad. It doesn't even smell like anything. I needed a body scrub so I can get all the dead skin, like, off my elbows and stuff. And, ooh, baby. So, I got this. And then I'll be shaving and using this stuff. That said masturbating. It says moisturizing. So, I got some hemp scrub for like $5. Then, excuse me, I got some more heat protectant spray. If you girls straighten your hair, or if you curl your hair, or if you do whatever the fuck you do with your hair with heat, or if you even go out in the sun, get you some heat protectant. I use this brand because I like the bottle. It comes with a spray, and the only way you open it is just, see? And it goes up to 450 degrees. Just take it, spray it all over your hair. Let it sit for a little bit, comb it, and then straighten. Iron. I tried to find me a bikini, but I couldn't find one that would cover my vagina or that would, you know, fit my butt cheeks fully. Because I do have people I live around, and it wouldn't be appropriate for me to go outside with my cheeks and my vagina hanging out. So yeah, I gotta find me a bikini I can go tan in, you know what I'm saying? So, I got some of this copper tone sunscreen spray. I didn't have a lot to choose from. And it's not a whole lot of sunscreen, guys. But it's got a little bit. And I'll probably throw this on. Go tanning outside. Some days I might use some oil, you know. So, we gotta get some vitamin D. You know, my vitamin D levels. Oh, I forgot to take my vitamin D supplement today. Oh. My doctor, or my nurse gave it to me. I'll take that tomorrow when I wake up. It's like a very high dosage of vitamin D that I was put on. I got me some concealer because I don't know, you know, Ulta and everything's closed. So I had to get some L'Oreal, some Infallible Full Wear Concealer. So I usually go to Ulta and get mine. This is in the shade 360 Cashmere. Not that any of you men would give a fuck what I wear. But if you do, then ask me down below and I'll tell you. Yeah, those are the products that I got. And I got a couple other things too, but I'm not going to show you guys because it has to do with other stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like some underwears and stuff. You don't want to see those, right? Ah, what the hell? What you hold? No, I just got me some nude undies. Guess how much these were, guys? I was just looking around. Everybody else is looking at food, and here I am fucking shopping. Look at these big old... Look at these! Woo! Look at these! I'm just kidding. I should try these on, though, and make sure they fit. Let's try them on. Oh, yeah. These will fit. Look at these. These look so funny. Alright. So, I got some of those. Oh my god, those smell so good. They smell so clean. Just wait till I put my ass in these bare ass. It's gonna stink. Look at this. Wait, hold on. Hold on. 50 cents! Can you believe that? 50 cents. Yo, I swear, as the fucking days go by, my ass is expanding, getting wider and wider. It's like, boom, you know? I can't breathe now. Look at these. These are cool. Let's try these on. Oh yeah. Look at these. These will look so much better without. I never tried panties on. This reminds me. Me and my mom went to the store the other day, and I wanted these jeans, and I tried them on over my pants because the dressing rooms are closed. So yeah, I do try them on sometimes. $1.50. And I don't ever get panties at Walmart, really. Sometimes I do. I get them in the packs, like the big packs. I found some bras for $3. I'll be wearing these. You guys see me in my videos. When I see shit that's cheap, I'll get it. If it's nice, I'll get it. $1.50. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I don't want to fart in something brand new. You can actually wear these like hats. If I ever run out of a bandana, guys, I could just, woo! I look like one of those gypsy fortune tellers. I know your future. You know what's going to happen to you. Just kidding. I'm dumb. This video's a little over, but I know you guys are enjoying it, and I'm almost done. I'm gonna go. You guys are gonna see these. I'll be wearing these in my videos. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna show you these. Fucking $2.50 for these. And what's cool is, I think I got them on backwards. Yeah, I got them on backwards. But I can still fit them. So if I was to wear that, I could fit this, but let me try it on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. This is so cool, right? Can you imagine? Oh. Okay. $2.50. This is like $11. They match. And I got this. See? It's like $3, I think, something. It's like a sportsy type bra. You guys gonna see me wearing all these. I got some little panties. They say, "You're a gym," and they were $1.50. So cool. I used to be able to go in the store and not be able to find anything. Now that I come here, I can. And I got these. $1.50. Fucking sexy little pretty little panties. And the quality of them is just nice. It's good. Give a fuck if it came from Walmart. If I find anything that looks nice, I'm definitely... Look how huge those are. Whoa, look at my bloomers. Okay. And then I got me a pair of leggings. Those of you that know me are going to see me wearing these because I needed a pair of leggings to go. Only thing, look. They have like the opening. They were cheap leggings I found at Walmart for like $5, $6. And it's supposed to be high up. So, I had to get some of those to wear because I like to wear black. And sometimes I like to wear leggings. Leggings are like the new sweats. So, yeah. I got all that stuff. All of my stuff came to about, I don't know, not that much. So yeah, guys. Oh yeah, yo. Oh yeah. That's all I got. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Do you guys like these? I might wear these in my videos because I'm a comfy person. I like to be comfy. I like to be comfy. What if I didn't have anything on, right? And I was like, oh my god. I'm not farting in this shit though. I'm not farting in that. No, thank you. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, retweet. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Watch my videos all the way through. Let's make it to 240,000 watch minutes. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. There are links in the description below. Also, if you want to leave a tip, there's a PayPal and there's a Cash App in the description below. Doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, okay? I gotta take a shit now. I love you guys. Bye, False Gang.